guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike AIR MORE UPTEMPO 96. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got to look at one of my favorite sneakers of all time, and it is the Nike AIR MORE UPTEMPO. This time it's a 96 retro. Well, it's not really a retro, but I'll tell you why I said it's a retro. And we got this in the Sail Black Sail Team Orange colorway in a UK men's size 7.5. It's a US men's 8.5, and it's European 42. And here we go. I know what you're thinking, guys. There's a massive AIR logo. Why do I like this sneaker so much? Well, I'll let you know, viewers. The reason why I like this sneaker so much is because of an athlete who played alongside Michael Jordan named Scottie Pippen, and we did do the review of my favorite colorway. Honestly, the black and white version of the AIR UPTEMPO, the ones that Scottie Pippen wore, are one of my favorite sneakers of all time. If you want to see that review, check it out. I go into more detail about Scottie Pippen and why I love the sneaker so much. But today we've got a different kind of colorway, as you can tell here. It's more for the summer vibes, and it gives me this retro vibes as well. Why I said the 96 retro is because of the colors. So with all that said, let's get into the review. So we'll start with the outsole. So with the outsole, it's an all rubber outsole with a big Nike swoosh right there, and you can see this little chamber where you can see the air bubble. Moving along onto the midsole unit, so it's a polyurethane midsole here, and you can see the air unit. So you'd think that it is just one big air bubble, but it's not. It's split into two chambers, so you got the heel and the forefoot. But the way that it's shaped and the windows are located, it makes it look like it's one big air unit. Moving along onto the upper, so you got leather uppers, the big AIR logo, and guys, this just gets everyone's attention. If you're walking down the street with these on, I'm sure 80% of the time someone is just gonna stare at your feet, and you can assure them that you've got a pair of Nike Airs on. Spells it out for you. And the colors, again, it gives me that retro 90s vibe. You got the yellow, blue, and red on the outlines. Summertime vibes, guys, because it is in the white leather. Looking at the toe box, you got the Nike swoosh that's stitched on here. Looking at the heel, you got a pull tab. Essentially, it's another lace, and the jeweled Nike swoosh. Lacing system, it's a bit different. It is like a fast lace system, and underneath the tongue you can see the mesh that's underneath it, very nicely perforated, and it is this bungee cord-esque here. I mean, the black AIR MORE UPTEMPO, they have more of a bungee rope lace. This is just your typical round laces. I wish I did more with the lacing here, or giving you another pair, but they don't. On the tongue, again, it's nicely padded. You've got the Nike swoosh stitched on. Another pull tab there as well. And the inner, you got an array of colors with the Nike logo there. Love this colorway, guys. I'll be rocking it throughout the summer. We are in the depths. Well, it's the beginning of spring, really. I was going to say the depths of spring, but we're not in April. This is March of the time of recording. Little bits I just forgot to mention. You got the little Nike logo swooshes here on the back of the heel. And yo, if you don't know who Scottie Pippen is, honestly, we'll give Last Dance a watch, but watch his highlights on NBA. He didn't specifically wear this colorway, but the black and white will always be associated with Scottie Pippen. And with these on, I think of the summer. I'm bound to see loads of people not really hype beasts, but people who are trying to get into the hype sneakers. They try their best and get a pair of their AIR MORE UPTEMPOs. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. Maybe it is just this pair that I have right now, but the right shoe, this bit is like proper pressing against the side of my foot. It's not painful, but it's just irritating. My toes are where they need to be at the end of the day. It is a bit of concern on my right feet, but I can feel it slightly moving, whatever it is. But other than that, these are pretty fly on. Look at that air. No pun intended. Before I sound off, guys, you can feel the air in the sneakers. Very comfy, cushiony. That's why Scottie Pippen wore them. And I mean, these are really iconic. Great colorway. No historical context behind it, but they look great, you know. Feel like I'm in the 90s because of that color blocking right there, the color outlines. I know that these are going to be a hit for the summer. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Before we sound off, I'm wearing these tracksuit bottoms that I got from Weekday. Till next time, guys. Peace.